Good,
Good to see you, man.
Finally.
Oh, the legend, the legend. Good morning everyone, it's Mr. Taster here and I'm in Pakistan, Islamabad. I'm in Highland Hotel. Hope you're fine, and today I'm going to see one of the big guys that helped the country, Pakistan, a lot. Ali Hamdani. We're going to Kusar Market. I don't know what's gonna happen today, so let's eat. Love you. From Pakistan, Islamabad. Thank you guys. See you.
See you.
See you. See you. Bye.
ETC card is not inserted.
It's almost 45 minutes from Highland Hotel, so let's go. Hi. So we just got the ticket to Quetta as well. We're going tomorrow to Balochistan. I can't wait. We're gonna have lots of foods like saji, like tanuchi, the whole goat they're putting on the ground. So it'll be fun. Hi Ali, how are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you, man.
Finally.
Oh, the legend, the legend.
No, you are the legend.
No, I was telling to my friends that you are the legend and you have the
That's very,
tourism
very, very
in
kind.
Pakistan. Yeah, no. And
Finally.
my friend.
कैसे हैं? अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खैरियत से हैं? ठीक ठाक।
So we just had the breakfast with my brothers and now we are going to have some street foods. What are we gonna have, Ali?
So first of all, we're going to have a local pan,
Yeah.
which is a local delicacy. You're really going to love it. And then after that, none other than Anda Shami burger.
Shami burger.
Yeah, which is the Pakistani version of burger. And
Perfect.
I'm sure you're going to love that.
Yeah, perfect. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh. Thank you very much.
Not a very good driver. You're not in safe hands.
You are a good driver, I'm sure.
Say
about
your
it.
last words and last wish.
That's it.
We are having
The burgers.
the Pakistani burgers. The famous Anda Shami.
Yeah.
Chicken, beef, and anda shami.
Beef?
Beef, chicken,
Beef.
yes.
Yes.
Beef,
Yeah, beef.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I have beef?
340.
It's okay.
Beef.
It's okay.
One piece. कितने? 3? एक beef बना दो. Yeah. एक अंडा शामी. Meat, beef.
Beef.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's the burger, yeah?
और आए यार.
Oh. Ali.
Onion.
Oh, onion.
onion. Ketchup.
Tuck. Yeah. Oh. It's amazing. What is this? Cabbage?
Cabbage.
Put the cabbage. Look.
Yeah.
Onions and cabbage. And what is this?
Oil.
Oh. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh.
Raita. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah. Black pepper.
Yeah? Oh. That looks good. That looks good.
यार एक काम करो ना, दो तीन कुर्सियाँ लाओ थे, और बगैर शायद ला दो ना।
Ali, what we have here?
So we are having today the very iconic, the very local, the Pakistani Anda Shami burger.
All right.
You cannot miss this burger when you come to Pakistan.
And it's very
that-
oily.
It is oily.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's oily, it's rich.
Look at that.
So we have a beef patty here, and then we have anda is eggs basically. So we have egg, we have beef patty, we have some vegetables. It's simple, but it's going to blow you.
All
It's
right.
going to be really good.
And we got chickpeas in it as well.
Yeah.
We've got the cabbage, and we're gonna have the what is it? Is it mint?
This is mint chutney, mint raita,
Mint chutney.
yogurt.
Oh, perfect.
More the merrier.
You ready?
Cheers.
Oh, it's so rich, guys. The best beef sandwich roast beef ever. Oh my gosh. And what is this sauce?
This is your normal, their homemade tomato ketchup.
Okay, let's try this as well. Guys, I will come from Dubai only for this. Seriously. Oh. It's even better. It's so reminding me when I was like 10 years old. Amazing. I like the way that everything is natural here. You can see like the modern area we went, and like the other part that you can find like old-fashioned restaurants. Amazing to experience. And everywhere you can find like unique foods that you never tried it before. And this one, out of this world. It's insane, man.
It's one of my most favorite. It's my comfort food. Every now and then, I just come here and eat it.
It's really good. I loved it. Wow.
ठीक है ना, तो पूरा पेट खोल देना। Okay, so this is the very famous local drink called lemon soda.
Yeah.
It's available probably in every nook and corner in every city in Pakistan.
Yeah, I saw many of them.
Exactly. So this is basically sugar, melted sugar, and what they have here is plain soda.
Oh.
And what they have here is black salt.
How much is it?
It's a little bit. So for each glass, we'll put probably something like half a spoon.
All right.
So something like this quantity, and then they'll mix it with the melted sugar, put some soda in it, mix it, and give it to you with lots of ice.
Okay.
And lemon also. Let's not forget the lemon.
One special thing is this sound of soda.
So
Alright.
the special thing about all of
people
this
very
is
like.
the sound when he opens up the bottles.
Oh, can you open it with knife?
Should it खोल सकते हो? Oh, he's gonna open it with the opener.
Okay.
खोल दो चार खोल के दिखा जरा.
This shot is important.
Guys, they're gonna kill us. Wow. Can you do it again?
दोबारा कर या कोई punch.
Dobora. Guys, oh my gosh. Okay.
This is soda.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, Ali. I love it.
You can call it AK-47, the Kalashnikov soda.
This is sugar.
Sugar, yeah?
Making with sugar, cardamom. Have the seed. Yeah.
Ali, what is it?
It's black salt.
Black salt. That's black salt, yeah?
That's black salt.
So he's mixing it together. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Cheers. Ali, cheers.
Cheers, man. It's so hot
Come,
here.
come. That's the best. That's the best, man. Thank you. Shukriyan.
How is taste?
Shukriyan. It was amazing. Shukriyan. Loved it.
Shaji 1, F10 Marcus.
All right. Thank you. Tell again.
Shaji number 1, F10 Marcus.
Cheers.
Number 1 lemon soda.
Love Pakistan. Love Islamabad. Love you guys.
Thank you, thank you. Very special.
The best. Oh.
Shop is open by now.
Ali, what's next? Got no idea, huh?
Got no idea.
Well, summer days in the afternoon, usually most of the stuff is about to open. So, but nevertheless, we'll find something for you.
All right. Thank you very much. Holiday maybe?
Faluda, yeah.
Faluda कहाँ से मिलेगा? Jameel Sweets है क्या? Jameel was that Jameel Sweets is
Maybe holiday. Let's try it. So finally, we got the SIM card. SIM card. Whoa!
I will not hear again. Ali, please give me internet. Ali is giving.
I keep asking him like 10 times to give me internet, and then I saw he's talking in Pakistani for SIM card, and he said, "Oh, I'm fed up with you keep asking it." So that's it. We finally got it. So if you ever come to Pakistan, keep asking for internet. So tell me where we are going now.
Now it's time for a dessert, a local Pakistani dessert. Very colorful, very cool, good in the weather. Gola Ganda.
Gola Ganda.
It's ice, crushed ice with tons of syrups and colors. You're going to love that.
Yeah, I saw the videos. Yeah, let's go.
मटके में ये सारे फ्लावर पत्ते डालते हैं मटके के अंदर है सर जी ये नया देख रहे हैं पहले तो यही चीज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये वाला
ठीक है
और इसमें ये इसलिए लेकर रहे हैं भी जनाब लोग इसमें जनाब ज़्यादातर जनाब
ऐसे से देना है ठीक है तो इस तरह करो ना 2 बनाओ ना ठीक है आपने खाना चलो 3 बना ठीक है 3 बनाओ तो केड़ा फ्लेवर केड़ा होंदा है
बिस्मिल्लाह
Ali, no. What is it?
Syrup.
The syrup.
This is red syrup. It's called Roo Afza.
Rugabza.
Yeah, it's basically rose syrup.
So he's got multiple flavors. He's got blueberry, he's got orange, and he's got plum as well. And this is the traditional syrup called Roo Afza. So it's herbal and it's made out of different fruits.
Ah. Perfect. Oh,
blueberry
blueberry. Look at the colors. That's gorgeous. That's a piece of art. Perfect. Shukriyan.
Okay.
Shukriyan. All right. Oh, and look what I've got. Bee. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, come. Go. Don't worry. No. It's fine. Yeah, he likes it so much. Okay, go, enough. It doesn't like to move anymore. Okay, you can eat, I can eat too. Together. Oh. Still have it with. Still having it. It's the bee taster. Oh, that's good, man. Look at him. Come, come. I love it. Thank you. Very delicious. Amazing. Cheers. Thank you, Ali. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Okay, but then again,
It's always good to share.
Yeah. Don't do it in UK or US.
No matter what. It's amazing. Oh, I mean, it's
I
so
like the bee.
seriously, it's so hot here. But this is a blessing at the moment.
Perfect. Wow. He's inviting us. He's so generous. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Very kind of you. Give me a hug. He's a gentleman. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, where are we now?
we're in the Jinnah supermarket of Islamabad. This is a very famous pawn shop, and it's been there since the last 30-35 years at least.
All right.
And we're gonna have meetha pan, which is sweet pan, and the gentleman is gonna make it in front of us.
All right.
And he's gonna show us what he's gonna put in all. As you see all around here,
Yeah.
you have food spots.
Yeah, you've got shawarma over there.
You got
Prata.
paratha over there.
Yeah.
You got soda over there. You have burgers right there.
Oh. Prata. Chili sauce?
जी
Shawarma. Shawarma, yeah?
वन वेज वन
Cabbage.
यस पिकल्स
Yeah.
मिक्स सैलेड
That looks good. I just want to try the taste.
ये बारबेक्यू सॉस
Yeah.
dynamite, garlic sauce.
So cucumber, onion.
Tomato, pickles,
Perfect.
and cabbage.
Where you from?
The one wish warma.
Where are you from?
Karachi.
Huh?
Karachi.
Karachi. I'm going to Karachi. Yeah, next week.
Inshallah.
Thank you. One is enough. One is enough. Yeah, perfect. Just give it to me. So we're gonna have it. Oh, it's hot, guys. So dip it. Yeah, like that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. It's hot, guys. He's gonna kill me. No, he's not. He's not. He's so super kind. Just we need to wait like 30 seconds. So dip it in the sauce. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, some pickles. Oh. And the sauce. Oh, that's really hot, guys. I normally, yeah. Oh. Give me a hug. I love him. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Can you show me the kebab again? Oh, there is a kebab inside. Wow. Thank you. So there are the potatoes, yeah?
Ji sir.
Oh. Awesome. Nice to meet you. Oh look, it's so fast. Ali, I think he's got to. Oh, that's the chutney, yeah? Oh, he's putting the chutney. That's what this dish famous for. Thank you. Alright guys, that's the Afghani chips. That's really famous in Pakistan and Islamabad, yeah?
And they are my most favorite comfort food. So whenever I go out, I do have them.
Alright.
Almost every time.
So why they are famous? Is it because of the chutney or the kebab or the chips?
Honestly, so there are two things why they call Afghani kebabs. One, because they are a bit different because of the chutney. And secondly, all like our Afghan brothers, they have the stall. So they make
Alright.
it. That's more of a reason to call them Afghani fries than any other reason. But they're really good.
Yeah,
They taste really
I love
nice.
Afghani people, I like Islamabad, I love Pakistan, everyone. And the chips.
Good people.
I love it.
Good fries.
Oh.
Like them?
Love them. Not like them.
The kebab is very special.
Should I try it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
please do try.
too hot. Oh. That's the best.
Maybe. Don't burn your mouth.
Oh. So, what's the chutney from?
Sorry?
Like, what they're making it from?
So yeah,
Do you know how they're making it?
it's
What's
very
the
simple.
ingredients in
The
it?
best part about these fries is that they're very simple.
Yeah.
It's just salt and pepper.
No, I mean this one.
this chutney
The chutney,
is,
yeah.
so the chutney is vinegar and what? Yeah, that's it.
Cheese
It's onions.
Limon है?
Yeah. This chutney is basically onions, coriander, it's vinegar, it's green chili. It's just simple. It's pure ingredients, nothing else.
So lemon, again vinegar.
Vinegar, lemon, onions, coriander.
Perfect. Guys, try it.
Very healthy, good for digestion.
But it's not kebab, is it? But they call it kebab.
It's shaped like kebab, but it's
Huh?
basically lentil inside,
Ah, lentil. Yeah.
not meat.
I thought it's mutton. No, I'm joking. I love it. That's from what Very good.
It's your vegetarian sausage.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good. I don't know why it's hot maybe. Thank you. That's big. Oh. Oh, perfect.
This was so long, I call this the Burj Khalifa of ice cream.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
So we are actually having pan here. Pan is a local delicacy which is fine. Okay, so we are having pan here, which is very famous in Pakistan and India. Many people love it. It's like a small chunk of dessert, which is very addictive, by the way.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you're going to love that.
All right.
So they'll make it fresh for you right in front
Alright.
of your eyes.
Look. Oh. What kind of leaf is it?
It's pan. So this leaf is called pan.
Hun.
Pan. So pan is like a plant.
Oh, what is it? Oh. What is it? This one.
ये खोपरा गुलकान मीठी सौंफ
So it's basically saying it's coconut, shredded coconuts. It's gulkan. Gulkan is basically condensed, sweetened rose petals, and then there's so many ingredients. So I'm sorry, like I would be knowing the
Too
names
many,
of.
yeah.
There are millions of ingredients in it.
ऐसी या 200 रुपये खर्ची
मुंह दबा दो
Amazing move. How'd you go for it? Guys, it's the most complicated taste ever, because even he told me what's in there, but the mix is crazy. I love it. It's refreshing, mind-blowing. I never had it in my whole life, even like close to it. Thank you so much. Amazing.
चाचू 2 पानी की बोतल इधर पानी की 2 बोतलें दे वो नहीं तुझे समझ में
Guys, seriously, it was the strangest thing I ever had in my whole life. You must try it. Amazing. Yeah, what you said.
Yeah, so they have this special pan. It's called the tambaku wala pan, which means tobacco. and they mix instead of this kind of ingredient, sweet ingredients,
They put
they
tobacco in
have
it.
certain
I had
tobacco.
it in Vietnam. Is it the same?
Probably.
They gave me and I was like, oh my god. I was
Yeah,
like,
it does the same thing.
So
to
you're
you,
not
yeah.
supposed to swallow it. You're supposed to chew it and keep it on one side of the
it
mouth.
was the yeah, exactly the same. I had it.
And the famous one is called Raja Jani Double Patti Wala Pan.
Ah, so they're gonna make me drugs. Yeah. So guys, this guy is crushing the ice. He's not killing anyone. Can I film? Yeah, good. He's not angry. He's just crushing the ice. Look at him. Oh. He's not angry at all. He's just doing the crushing. Amazing. Perfect. Ali, what are they? Lychees. Is it famous here?
It's locally grown.
Oh, can I try it? One?
Okay.
How should I? Oh, is it like a snake? Is it a snake fruit? Oh, it's exactly, guys. I had it in Dubai. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Wow. It's so juicy. It's reminding me of the mangosteen. It's exactly like mangosteen. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. He is very generous. He didn't charge us for that. Thank you so much. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Guys, today is finished. I'm going to Balochistan tomorrow. But today and yesterday in Islamabad, I had such a lovely time. The food was amazing. The people, look, everyone. And the city is so beautiful. And you know, many people told me not to go, it's dangerous, or the food is not good, and whatever. To these guys, I'm gonna say, shut the, no, it's bad, you know. I'm not rude, but listen, this is a beautiful city. You should come. Ali, thank you so much.
Thank you so
and
much.
Omar.
it's an honor to have you.
Thank
and
you.
I also say don't come to Pakistan because if you come, you will get addicted.
Oh, I'm addicted already. So we are coming 5th of September with Trevor, but I might come earlier again.
You always welcome.
Thank
This is
you.
your second home.
Thank you. So
And we always there for
thank you so much. Thank you. It was my dream to come to see you, and it happened today. So
Thank you
I'm so
much.
happy.
Love you.
Thank you. And guys, please share this video if you liked it, and share my channel. I love you all. I love you, Pakistan. See you.